A little bit windy today, but hopefully that wind will calm down some. About 6-7 miles an hour. The tide is not going to be moving that fast. It's going to have very little water movement, but we will see what today produces. I'm trying to fish this little point right here in this little creek inlet and see if we can find anything. With a little chicken boy lure. Let's see if we can't lock something. Got a funny feeling we're gonna be changing over to a paddle tail before too long though. I think I'm about to swap over to paddle tail though. Go with the one that's actually been working pretty well for me this year. Let's go ahead and grab one right quick. Let's see if I got one right here. I do. Swap this over. Get you put on here just right. Y'all guys know it's my favorite. It's been really working for me this year. Fish some of these grass lines right quick, because I do like fishing these taller grass lines. Bait like to get up inside that grass. The redfish will get up next to them, ambush them, draw them out, even get up in the grass with them. Okay, I see something up there. I see a couple blades of grass moving. That's why I like fishing these taller grass lines. If they're not moving, if they're just barely moving, but you got one that moves the opposite way real quick, that's usually a fish right in there. Look for any kind of small shrimp moving. Jumping out of the water. redfish, like a V wake, or even a tail or a back sticking out of the water, some sort of sign that lets me know that he's in the area. There we go. There's a good one. I thought I saw a V-wake, I wasn't sure. Looked like he was trying to get away from me. It's not a bad fish. Feels like a redfish, probably about a good solid 20, maybe 21, 22. I don't know, he's pulling some drag. Oh yeah, we got us a nice redfish. Just don't be a bull. Get tired, buddy. Oh, you swallowed my hook. That's alright, I'll get that out of you. Pretty redfish. Hey, don't get me wet, bro. Come on. You're already dinner. You know it. Yeah, that's gonna be a solid 23, 24 incher. Alright, so I screwed up again and left my damn tongs in the kayak, and they flopped out. So I had to go buy some new ones once again. So maybe get y'all guys to help me out here a little bit. Thinking around, kicking an idea in my head of trying to make video to where people understand of how important it is to do your homework, get out in the water. Hey, with that, maybe find your own fishing spots. A lot of people have been asking me about where am I fishing at, where am I going, what am I using. Guys, I don't have a plan when I get out in the water. I literally just get out in the water and go. And when I get out there, I read the signs, learn from my mistakes I've made in the past, and I try just to enjoy the day, really. Because if you can't go out and fish on days that you don't catch nothing, and if you can't enjoy it, then you don't need to be fishing, honestly. You need to find something else that you enjoy doing. Alright, let's take a measurement of you and let's see if you make the cut, which I know you do. I really like fishing this bay. I caught it. It's right at 24. Alright. Let's put you up. I really need to start remembering to take more photos. Justin's gonna be mad at me. Alright. First rest fish of the day. Let's see if he did any damage. No. Actually worked out pretty good. Oh, look, there's another one right there, I think. That could have been a small mullet. I know they're in here, just gonna have to give them some. Alright, bud, you need to liven up. I need you fresh. There you go. There you go. the ticket, buddy. Right there, I just see him. That was a redfish tail. Oh, do you have it? Okay. He's tailing right there. I need to get past him. There he is. Whoa, big boy. I saw you. And you wanted that gulp. That's what I'm talking about. I need to come here, big boy. That is a nice red. Just don't be a bull. I want to take some redfish home today. Oh, golly. Dude, you might be a bull. Doggone you. I hope not. But he is fighting. He has gone all the way around this kayak already. Come here. Come on. Yeah. Well, you might not be a bull. I don't know. Pretty close. That was a profound tail action right there, brother. I've seen you sticking out of the water. Open up your dang mouth. Well, you might not be bull red. Took my freaking gulp. Let's see how big you are. If you're legal, you're going on a stringer, big dog. I love to eat redfish. And I just finished up the last bit of my redfish. Dude, like on the nose, 27 and 3/4, 27, almost 28. Right on the freaking money. That's what happens when you go to looking for them. All right, big dog. Let's get you. Hey. Somebody's fixing to join you. That's how you do it. Nice redfish today. That is really, really nice. Good looking fish. Healthy. Very healthy. Another one. So gulp actually used on that one right there. That was a curl tail. And we may decide to stick around here for another one. If there's one, there's more. I knew, had a feeling I was going to see something in here when I saw a couple of V-wakes coming into this place. Saw a few little dust bowls underneath the water. That'll let me know that they're here. They're just not feeding that frantically. Got some rain on us. Awesome. Hopefully it don't stay very long. That's a redfish. Whoop! Got one in the dang rain. Check you out. Oh, please be a keeper. He may not be. He may not be in the slot. I seen the dust bowl when you left, but I didn't know you was heading that direction. I was hoping you was, though. Oh, pretty tail. I don't think you're gonna make the 20-inch mark, though. If you do, that's gonna be a limit, and I'm gonna go to the house probably. You might barely be there. I don't know, I really want a bigger one. I'd rather have a lot more meat. And I like seeing the younger guys grow up some. I think he's gonna be at 19. I honestly do. You're gonna be right at 19. I almost don't even want to measure you. I don't throw you back in the water, let you get bigger. Easy, bud. Easy. You're quit season. Dude, 19 and a half. 19 and a half. You almost made the cut, buddy. Almost. But this new spot here, man, produced a limit of redfish. That is a limit for today. Still want to try to get one more, though. I got my wife, me, and the two girls at the house, and 2 fish might make enough fried fish for this evening. And on the haymaker too. At least it's starting to quit raining. I don't know what I got. It feels like a trout. I just saw that blow up too. That feels like a smaller red. Uh-oh, you're all tangled up. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Haha, still got you though. You are a butthead. How the hell did you get a square knot? Hey, stop that right now. If it's gonna happen to me. But that's fine. I can handle that. I think you're gonna be about another 19 or 20er. Get off my... Might even be 18. I mean, on the nose, actually a little over. Actually 20 and a half. I think I'm gonna take you to the house. You actually got some really nice fillets on you. About 20 and a half, 20 and 3/4. We'll just say 20 and a half. I just saw his tail sticking up again.